Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. This is your first time checking out my channel. Welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. Hi everyone. Today I'm doing a very quick video to let you know that I have decided to take part in a wonderful challenge that I want you guys to consider taking part in also. It is called the hashtag July Makes 2022. It is being hosted by none other than our beautiful Jeanette over at DOY Creations and DOY Life. So the whole idea behind this particular challenge is for us to go ahead and take a log of all of the makes that we are doing for the month of July. And then at the end of the month, then put them all together and compile them in either a photo show or just a video where we're showing all of our makes. That is a wonderful thing because it really does help you to get some organization about what you're doing, and then you can summarize and look back and see what you've accomplished. I really do like that. And if it's a long range project, then of course you may or may not have a lot of other things to do depending on how much time. But if you do some quick projects in between, it really adds up. So I am looking forward to it, and I hope that you guys are as well. I today am wearing a wonderful crop top, and this was made by Jeanette. So if you didn't know that, Jeanette is a wonderful crocheter. She does knitting with her machine. She also does jewelry making, and that's just the start of it because that's on her DOY Creations channel. But on her DOY Life, she goes through all kind of cooking and planting and things like that. So if you haven't checked her out, you are missing out on a treat. And what are you waiting for? Okay. Yeah. So I want to say thank you because I really do love my crop top. And I think she did just a wonderful job with it. All right. And I just want you guys to consider participating in this challenge, the hashtag July Makes 2022. And I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. All right. Head on over to Jeanette's channel. I will leave the information in the description box below so that you can easily access it and take a look. And even if you don't participate in it, head on over to her channel. She does lots of lives on Sundays where we all get together and have very stimulating and supportive conversations. And it's just a really good time. All right. So that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. By all means, guys, be crafty every day. I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye-bye now.